How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a look at the upcoming Nike Dunk Low in the Michigan colorway. Today's video is sponsored by a good friend of the channel, United. United is an independently owned and operated sneaker, clothing, and accessory brand that promotes love, unity, and a positive message in all their products. And I'm pleased to announce the launch of their brand new shoe, the United Love 01 High, which is releasing in their debut Ghost Gray colorway. So this pair is built with a very high quality tumbled leather, with hits of gray and a vintage off-white colored midsole. And signature details include removable Velcro patches and a heart stamped perforated toe box to complete the look. So as of right now, through that link down below, the shoes are open for pre-order and the window closes on June 12th. And they retail for $200 US and they ship worldwide. So again, that's United, so I'll link their website, their social media, all that good stuff down below. So be sure to show them some love and support the independents. So back to these dunks, the colorway of this shoe is very iconic and it's inspired by the Michigan Wolverines team colors. And I know last year we saw the high top version of this, but this low top version is set to drop on June 3rd for $100 US or 135 Canadian dollars. The official colorway for this shoe is Varsity Maize, Midnight Navy, and White, and this should be a relatively general release dunk, which doesn't really mean much these days, considering even the basic black and white dunks sell out instantly. So diving straight into the details, the base layer of this shoe is constructed out of this Varsity Maize yellow colored leather. On the toe box, we have this perforated finish, which is common across all your dunks, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this navy blue colored leather. This navy colored leather covers the eyelets of the shoe, and then beneath this on the quarter panel, we have more of that yellow leather, and overlaid on top, we have a navy blue colored swoosh. Moving downwards, we have more of that navy colored leather wrapping around the back heel. Above this, we have more of that yellow leather, and we have another hit of navy leather at the very top with the Nike word mark embroidered across in yellow. For the laces, these only come with one pair of laces and they're a flat navy blue or midnight navy colored lace. Underneath this, we have this nylon tongue, which is done in this yellow finish, and surrounding the outer edge of the tongue, it's covered in this navy blue colored nylon. And at the very top, finishing off the look, we have this yellow and blue Nike tag. Taking out the insoles, these come with your standard foam insole, which is lined in this black color at the very top, and stamped on the heel for some reason there's a Nike logo, but it's done in this really random salmon or orangey color. So the upper of the Nike Dunk sits atop this solid white colored rubber cup sole. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your standard Dunk outsole, which is done entirely in this blue colored rubber. The blue on the outsole is a little bit lighter in shade than the leather on the upper, which to me was a little bit strange, and I feel like it's one of those things where when you see it, you can't really unsee it. For those wondering how these fit, so to me these fit like all the recent 2021 dunks, so I'd recommend sticking true to size. So I'm a true size 10, my feet are a little bit on the wider side, and getting these in a size 10, they fit me great. I had no issues at all from a width perspective, so I'd recommend just sticking true to size. Next up, in terms of comfort, so unfortunately, the Nike Dunk isn't the most technologically advanced shoe, so basically all the comfort you're feeling is coming from the insole. So it's not going to be the most cushioned, it's not going to be the most well padded shoe, but in terms of an everyday casual use sneaker, they're going to be perfectly fine. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, this has been my biggest issue with GR Dunks in 2021. So when I compare this one to the quality of leather on the 2020 highs, again, the 2020 version blows this one out of the water. I felt like the yellow leather specifically felt very stiff, very synthetic, and it has this very stiff plastic-like feel to it. However, the navy colored leather was a little bit better. You can at least feel some level of softness to it, and to me at least, it felt much more like a genuine leather compared to its yellow counterpart. However, for a GR Nike Dunk that retails for $100 US, it's sad to say this, but given Nike standards, I guess you get what you pay for. And I do have to say the overall craftsmanship on this pair was perfectly fine. I had zero issues with this. With all that being said, now let's lace up these Michigan Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. In my opinion, no matter how many times they release this pair, the Michigan colorway is always going to be super iconic, especially on a dunk. I think if you can grab this for retail, this is an absolute keep in the collection. And even if you have to buy these on the secondary market, I was checking StockX today, and as of right now, the resale prices aren't too bad, especially when you compare it to something like the white and black dunks. However, I definitely wouldn't break the bank to grab this pair. The quality, like I said, isn't the greatest, and especially if you have the 2020 high top version, I don't really think there's a point of owning both. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this upcoming Michigan Nike Dunk Low. When these drop on June 3rd, is this going to be a cop or a drop for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8. You can check me out on Twitter at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully this review helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.